we should talk. So it's been a minute since we did the Fred Rider stuff. As you guys saw in the preview, we kind of it's been messed up. So here, let's do some backstory to what happened. Because the last time I uploaded it's been a minute, and let's just say things have gone from bad to worse. So in the last episode, I'm pretty sure on the Project Talon, we were painting the carpet, I believe, and interior. Alright, so I ended up doing that. I drove down to my work, where I used to work. I quit my job. Thank you very much. I hated that job, and the people there sucked. Anyways, in case people that are watching my job, I'm just kidding, you know. So yeah, back to the car, and the reason why you guys see a jack stand, a whole bunch of other stuff under the wheel. So I was driving from work around 9:30ish, and I heard a pop go off, and my whole steering wheel said vroom. And yeah, I'm doing this sound effects so I don't have to edit them in the editing software, so I'm just gonna do the sound effects for myself. I just lost complete control of my car, and I was lucky and fortunate enough to be able to lose control in my driveway and not down the highway or anything like that. But we did end up figuring out the whole reason why and what it was. So it turns out it was a CV axle. The whole boot had just ripped apart, but I still gotta buy now the control arm. We had just finished putting in the CV axle, the new one, and as we were turning it to go forward so we get space on putting this side CV axle, it broke. Not the CV axle, but the control arm. It literally snapped in half, and again the wheel just hit the floor and it like indented. Surprisingly, the wheel and the tire did not get damaged or anything else, not even the struts or anything. But I do have to order the control arm for both. Like I said, the whole suspension is messed up, and I wanted to replace all of it, but sadly we don't have the money to be able to replace it. But it looks like slowly we're going to be replacing the whole suspension before I can even do any mods to the car. So enough talking about why and what happened to it. Let's get to the fun part and show you guys the CV axle, because I still have the old one. Alright guys, so this is the old CV axle from the right hand side, passenger side, and as you can see, the whole just boot of it was just completely decimated right here, and especially right here, it literally snapped in half after we took it out. Water and dirt had already went inside the boot, as you can see right there. Just a complete disaster. In total, for all the parts, the CV axle, I replaced it with the OEM stuff, and it cost me in total for both CV axles around 120, I believe. But the control arm snapped the same day I fixed the CV axle, as you can see right there. The whole control arm just snapped in half. So now we gotta go buy that. Oh lovely, you guys will have so many videos upcoming. But on the bright side, the CV axle looks brand new. I do want to change the drum brakes and the brake pads, so I will have to do that. And right now, this jack stand is the only thing that's been holding it, and that tire, and some wood that I found. Hey, we're doing this on a budget, so it is what it is. Back to the green seat. So yeah, like I was saying, guys, the mic came out of my shirt when I stood up. I actually stepped on the cord. But in case you guys are okay, I guess I'm just gonna be interrupted. So yeah, like I said, I will. All right, doggo, we get it. So like I said, swear to God, I'm gonna freaking trash this car and throw it away. I'm just gonna delete my whole channel. Jesus. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, I got a lot of stuff to do this car. I was honestly told by my parents that I should just leave it as a project car and buy myself a reliable modern car. Like, what, they think I made out of money? I just bought the PS5. I wasn't supposed to tell anybody that. Anyways, though, I'm keeping it. I actually thought of getting a Ford Fiesta or a Ford Focus ST, but I ended up thinking about my car, and I can't just leave it there to just die and rot and rust. That already happened to it a couple years ago with its previous owner. So, Fred Rider is gonna be fixed eventually, maybe by mid-September, August. Hopefully, I will have everything fixed for it, and we can get it on the road again. But like I said, right now what I am doing is making all the parts OEM, just replacing them with the OEM stuff, because I can't find no custom parts for it yet. It's been hard, trust me. But another thing I want to thank you guys for in today's video is the 20,000 views that I recently surpassed on my channel. I got an email about 2 days ago, and I just want to say, you guys, thank you very much. If I'd kiss every 20,000 viewers, I would. Maybe. I don't know. Actually, I don't know, to be honest with you guys. But thank you very much for the 20,000 views. This channel has been growing a lot better than my gaming channel, and we're not going to talk about that, though. But I kind of, you guys should subscribe and hit that like button after you finish watching this video. It's free. Free real estate. You guys like that? Here. A little close up. That's high quality Eagle Talon DSM. And now my whole hands are covered in dirt. Anyways, though, thanks for the views, guys. It means a lot to me. I mean, I'm sitting at 66 subscribers, and I've noticed that every time I take a break because of no money, my subscribers go up. Instead of whenever I make videos back to back every week, my views get stagnant. But once I go missing for like a month or two, I get like a whole bunch of subscribers out of nowhere. So I must be doing something right. Anyways, though, subscribe and hit that like button if you guys want to continue supporting me with this car, because God knows that this car is amazing whenever it does drive. But I got into this passion knowing really well that this car was going to need a lot of repairs, especially since it had been sitting there for almost about half a decade. So I mean, I'm surprised the car hasn't blown up.